Hi everyone, how are you? This is Lakshmikant from KGP Talkie. And today we are going to get started with 10 days LangChain Bootcamp. This is day 0. That means today I'm going to explain you what you are going to learn in 10 days of LangChain Bootcamp. Each of the video which you are going to see in this particular playlist is going to be 40-minute to 60-minute. You might think that these videos are quite long, but believe me, these videos are meant to be the 40-minute and 60-minute. Why? Because I have explained in detail so that you can understand each and every concept in the LangChain and agentic AI system. And finally, by the day 10, we will be able to build a LangChain AI agent, basically a RAG, which you can actually deploy in the production. In the week 1, you are going to learn about free AI API services, roles and the messages, prompt template. All these are really very important. These are building blocks of the AI agent. Thereafter, you are going to learn about the LLM here, large language models. Basically, how you create chains, how you create, what is the pipe operator in the LangChain? Then how do you get the structured output? How do you manage the memory, like short-term memory and the long-term memory? And in the final week, that is the week 3, you are going to learn about the tools and how to build your first agent. Then I'll be taking you in very deep about the chunking and the vector as well. So believe me, this is really going to be a fun and you are going to learn a lot of stuffs in this particular playlist. So remember, this is 10 days boot camp and this is the day 0. After this, your day 1 starts where we are going to cover your first AI program, where I will explain what is AI, how AI API works. And thereafter, I'll explain you what is the LangChain, how do you set up the project. Thereafter, I'll explain you how to get the free AI API. All these you are going to learn in day 1. So let me tell you another important thing. So whatever resources currently I'm using, everything is available on my GitHub repo. So what you need to do, you just need to get the link of this GitHub repo, which is already available in the video description. So you can get this presentation, whatever you are seeing, all these presentation, you can get all these notebooks as well. Now let me tell you my teaching style, how I'm gonna teach all of these notebooks which you are currently seeing. So what we will do, we will first start with the slides. All right, so first we will understand and we will discuss the basics and the fundamentals of everything. After these slides, then we will move toward the notebooks. And everything I'll be explaining you in the notebook, whatever I have discussed here in this slide. And apart from that, I'll be using here a free AI API services. And that free AI API service, I'm gonna use from the OpenRouter. You can just simply come here on the OpenRouter, sign up at the OpenRouter. It is completely free of cost. You can get here so many free models. You just simply click on the models and then search here free. Thereafter, you are going to get here all free models. Apart from that, the link of the video, a link of the playlist of this particular series is already given in the video description. You see there the LangChain Days Bootcamp here. All right, so 10 days Bootcamp. That is something which is already created. You can go ahead and watch all these videos one by one. All right, everyone. Now let me show you how you can get started with this project. So what you have to do, you just need to download this from the given Git repo. Once you have got this repo, thereafter, first of all, you need to start your terminal. Once you start your terminal, thereafter, you need to write there the UV sync. All right, so let me just quickly show you here. What you have to write here, UV sync. Why do you need to do that? So that you can create your own virtual environment like this one. So you are going to get here a virtual environment, something like that. Now the question is here, if you are getting the error that the UV is not installed on your system, then what you have to do, you just need to simply come here and type here UV install. Thereafter, you are going to visit this particular repo, doc-astral.sh UV getting started installation part, and link of this is already given in the video description once again. Thereafter, select your operating system, Mac OS, Linux or Windows. Thereafter, open your terminal and thereafter paste this particular, the link, whatever is written here, either in the Windows or in the Mac Linux here. Okay, so whatever commands are given here, thereafter you just need to simply take it from here. Thereafter, open your terminal. And if you are using it through the Windows, make sure you open terminal in the administrative mode. If you open it into a normal mode, sometimes that does not work. So open it into a admin mode. Once you open it into admin mode, thereafter, I would suggest you to install your UV so that you can install this UV globally in your system. Since I have already installed, so I'm just going to skip this part here. Okay, cool. Once you have installed your UV and you have got this particular repo locally, then you just simply come here, right here, UV sync. Once you do that, it is automatically going to install everything. So what are the dependencies here which we are going to use? Those dependencies are already mentioned here inside the pyproject.toml file. So if you come here inside the pyproject.toml file, you are going to have here the dependencies. Inside this dependency, you are going to have here all those Python packages which we are going to use here. In those Python packages, you are also going to have here versions as well, like a LangChain, and for maybe some other libraries as well, like the Ulama as well. Okay, cool. Once you do that, thereafter it is super simple going to be, and then you can just simply start any notebook, whatever notebook you want to start, and then come here and then make sure you have selected your virtual environment which you have just created here. If you notice, virtual environment script Python, this is the LangChain 10 days. So this is the name of my current repository. Okay, cool. So I hope you have understood, and if you are having any doubt, any question, you can ask that in the Q&A section. I'm always here to help you. But remember, this is a 10 days LangChain bootcamp. So once you have completed this bootcamp, believe me, you are going to master the LangChain. All right, everyone, let's get started with this.